I almost see that glimpse of spring. The very air here seems to ring with joyful notes of birds that sing among the sprigs of wattle. The old home snug amidst the pines, the trickling creek that twists and twines round tall gum roots and undermines, it's all ablaze with wattle. The island is alive with colour right now, and the grey-green hue of the Australian bush and scrub has once again come to life. I love this time of year for its warm, sunny days and cool nights. It's an awakening from the cooler months, and here in Queensland, a small gift given before the hot, humid, rainy months ahead. Tea tree flowers, among so many other beautiful Australian native flora, are in abundance, and this literally makes my heart and soul sing. I find the seasons here in Australia intriguing, and I'm beginning to understand why the Indigenous rightful owners of this land have developed such intricate ways of telling them apart. To read the twinkling of the stars, the land, its flora and fauna, in order to survive, takes more than simply splitting the year equally into 4 parts. It requires connection on a deep level, the activation of all 5 senses, and most importantly, stillness. When we sit or explore slowly and quietly in nature and just absorb what is happening around us, that is when the magic happens. I ask myself, as a mammal who's living within this ecosystem, what part in spring do I play? Everything around me is so in tune with each other. I sense that there is something so much bigger than me. Something so much deeper, ancient, that has a natural importance that dwarfs my own. A wise Aboriginal elder once said, "If you belong there, your country will find a way to call you back." Country needs to be remembered, needs to be listened to, needs to know that we can still speak its language.